I don't know what type of method we should use. I kind of want to do a lot of curls. So let's see. There's 18 twist ties. If I want to put 3 curls in each one, that's 54. Divided by 2 colors, that's 27. Y'all, that means we can cut these into 12-inch strips. All right, so let's cut these at 12. Too bad I still didn't change the blade on my cutter though. 12 and 24. All right. Y'all, we're gonna take three pieces of mesh. So the first one, I'll start with 2 whites and a green. Just roll them up. Just roll them up. Y'all, and just put them together and then put one of these all the way around. Y'all, and I'm not gonna pay attention to the patterns. I'm just gonna make sure that there's 2 in 1 of the same color. So we're just rolling them up, layering them, and we're gonna keep going around. All right, so we're just putting our 3 12-inch cuts together, alternating the colors. All right, so that's all the way around the bottom. I like how alternating the colors, you get that different texture in there. All right, we ended on 2 greens. Let's go with our 2 whites. All right, still doing our same little pattern. So the trick is minimal curls, about 3, and do them where they're nice and burrito-ish. Don't do them where they are taquito-ish, okay? If they're too tight, it's not gonna be cute. They're gonna be looking like Medusa. Look how nice and full and pretty they look. All right, y'all, let's get our sign on there. Make some bows. So y'all, we're just adding a little bit of super glue. I'm honestly not sure if any of these signs are in stock. Parker bought these specifically for this kit. If there were any left after the kit was made, they would be listed. Y'all, we're gonna get these attached nice and tight. Let's get our ribbon. So y'all, let's go about 8 inches. This is my favorite. It's so fun. All right, y'all, give it a good twist. Where that twist is, slide it in your bow maker. All right. So y'all, we're just making our little X. Oh, you know what? We might do 2 layers of this little clover. How do you get on the subscription wait list? You just go to wreathsupplybox.com. So y'all, I want to come back with that clover ribbon and add 1 little piece of ribbon right in the center. So we got our twist tie, pipe cleaner. We're gonna pull our bow out. Get it pushed off and twisted. All right, let's make 2 more of these. Y'all, every ribbon in this set is really nice. Parker did a good job on this one. Like, it holds its shape really good. 1 more bow. Let's knock this one out real quick, though. Y'all, let's get our bows added. So we'll do 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Y'all, and I like to do the bottom one and then the top one just because it gives me a good placement of where that middle bow goes. Let's do our dovetail. Y'all, now we just need to get some ribbon tails around the base. So I know I want to get this one, and we're going to do at least 5 tails at 14 inches. Y'all, and then I'm going to do 5 gold ones. I'm going to do 5 gold ones. On this one, y'all, we're going to go ahead and cut 10. We're also going to cut 10 of these. Y'all, we have a lot of ribbon tails going on here. So we're going to use 1 2.5 inch. 1 of the green stripes. And then we're going to alternate 1 of the gold or 1 of the clovers. All right, so we layer our ribbon all on top of each other. Fold it in half. Get a good crisp fold. All right. Get a good pinch. And then we're going to add 1 of these. and add it to every twist tie around the bottom of the frame. Then we're just gonna spread our tails out. So that we have a nice little fanned tail right there. All right, y'all, and we're gonna do that all the way around. Got it folded. Get a good little pinch. And we're gonna go to the next twist. Y'all, my ribbon tails are always only 14 inches. All right, y'all, we need 2 more sets of tails. 1 set here and 1 set here. All right, let's add 1 at the top. All right, let's check it out. Y'all, I like it.